You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words. You have the singular and the plural here. So the top word here is the singular and it's pronounced as half. Okay, don't worry about the L's, they are silent. I'm not sure why there are L's in the spelling. They don't matter in the pronunciation. Half. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar here. Half. Okay, so that's your top word, singular. So if you cut something into two equal parts, you got one half and two halves. So that's your bottom word here, that's the plural. Halves. Okay, so the L is silent. You have a V sound and a Z sound at the end of the plural. Okay, it's a Z sound, not a S sound. So it's not halves, halves, no. Halves, halves. Okay, viz, viz, halves. So one half, singular, one half with an F sound, two or several halves. Halves. Okay, it almost sounds like an F, but it's not, it's a V. Halves. One half, several halves, or two halves. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.